Hey, what's up guys, Nate Vlog here. Welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas edition. Alright, what do we got going on today? Whoa, Pillsbury snowman-shaped sugar cookies. Alright, look at that. Yeah, these are such a classic, and wow, got them at Vaughn's. There you go. But I'm sure you can actually get them anywhere. But anyways, so there's 20 of them. Alright, what do we gotta do here? Heat oven to 350. Okay, for 12 minutes? That's easy. Let's get to the kitchen. Come on, snowmen. Okay, so there we go. That's what it looks like. We got our cookie sheet here. Ooh, that's that's seen better days, huh? Well, we want to place this down. Yeah. So it doesn't stick on here, right? Right? You know, come on. Pillsbury, open this up. Oh, look how small they are. Wow, minis. Come on out. There we go. Okay, so yeah, just line them all up. You know, when I was a kid, I used to grab these and just start eating them just like that. No. Oh man, imagine how bad that was for me back in the day. Jeez. But now we learned our lesson to never do that. Yeah, cookie dough eater, huh? Okay, that should be okay, I guess. Something like that. All right, in the oven it goes. We'll see how big they get. Snowman, in you go. All right, set the timer for 12 minutes. Awaiting. Come on, snowman. You gonna melt in there? Finished. Oh. Okay, so hot. Wow, gotta get these off. All right. Look at perfect. Look at that. Wow. Easy. That's why we put the paper down. Scoop them. Bunch of little snowmen around here, huh? There we go. Yeah. All set, ready to go. Let's go ahead and try them out. Review time. Here we go. Check that out. 20 cookies right here. Do you think I can finish all these right for breakfast? Oh. All right. Take a bite. Snowman. This is where it's at. Wow, brings back memories. Childhood. So, what we got going on here? Crunchy on the outside, very soft and warm in the inner. This is where it's at right here. Calories 110, sodium 85, not bad. Sugar 9. That's it. Protein 1 gram. Wow, that's actually not bad for you, to be honest. I'm shocked. Sweet and delicious. Look at that. I just noticed on the front, safe to eat raw. So you can eat them raw. Wow. I don't remember it being like that back in the day. I used to eat these all the time. Look at that. Perfect. Little snowman. You want some of these? You know what's actually really good is the next day. They even get more softer. And while I'm playing my game, I just pop these right in your mouth. Just keep going. Gamer snacks. Yep, these become gamer snacks. That's right. Warzone. breakfast. I think there's also a Christmas tree version of this, yeah. And of course they do all the holidays. So, but back in the day, I just remember they had the Halloween ones and the Christmas. Now they got it all. So there we go. I would give this 10 out of 10. I know, 10 out of 10. Yeah, that's where it's at. I'll tell you, these cookies are where it's at. Two snowmen at a time? Oh. I guess so. That's enough for that. Whew. Try that. So there you go. Highly recommend it. Go check it out. Go get it. Nate Vlog approves. And I'm going to be saving these later for gamer time tonight. Yeah. Play some little Warzone going on, huh? Got a little treats. There you go. Pillsbury. Hope you enjoy it. I sure did. Christmas edition. Do you have a Christmas hat, huh? Yeah. Feliz Navidad. Alright. Don't forget to hit up the PayPal right there. There it is. Ooh, is that Venmo? That's Venmo. Oh, I love Venmo. Alright. Description down below if you want to support Nate Vlog and the legendary reviews. That's right. Yeah. And I sure do approve of this one. Alright, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Look at that. That's how it is. Look at that. That's perfect. There you go. Wow. Wow. Perfect. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.